Assalamualaikum everybody and welcome to a brand new episode of The Tonight Show with me Dino, जहां पर हम आपको लाकर देते हैं कमाल किस्म के सेलिब्रिटीज, उनसे बड़ी मजे किस्म की बातें होती हैं। आज के हमारे शो पे जो टैलेंटेड न्यू आर्टिस्ट हैं, they're all relatively new to the scene of music in Pakistan, but very talented and they have a lot of potential. And we here at MTV Pakistan, and खास तौर से The Tonight Show, we always feel like that it's our duty to promote the best of what Pakistan has to offer in terms of new talent. और जहाँ पर इतने सारे प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, बहुत से ऐसे कम प्रोड्यूसर्स होते हैं जो लेट अलोन बड़े आर्टिस्ट को किसी नए आर्टिस्ट के साथ भी कोलैबोरेट करते हैं, बट दिस गाय इज अ न्यू प्रोड्यूसर फ्रॉम कराची. ही इज कम आउट विद अ वेरी डिफरेंट एल्बम विद अ वेरी डिफरेंट कॉन्सेप्ट कॉल्ड इस्माइल का उर्दू शहर. एंड उसके दो वीडियोस ऑलरेडी निकल चुके हैं. एक तो निदा खुरम के साथ इन्होंने निकाला रात बाजार, विच वाज अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग विच वीडियो, जिसको आज हम आपको शो में भी दिखाएंगे. बट रिसेंटली ही इज कम आउट विद अनदर वीडियो फीचरिंग टू of one of the best vocalists I've heard in a long time. I'm talking about Nadia Ali Zaidi is on the show tonight. Zara Madni is on the show tonight. Zara Madni, yes, Zara Madni, new singer, brilliant. And uske alawa the producer that's going to be, who's doing all the scenes behind the scenes with the music, Mr. M. Zohaib Qazi is also on the show tonight. Fantastic. So a lot of great things happening here on the Tonight Show. So let's not wait and start the show. Welcome back to the Tonight Show with me, Dino. अभी ब्रेक से हम वापस आए हैं और आपको हमने बात ही एक छोटी सी क्लिप दिखाई है, एक म्यूजिक वीडियो जिसके अंदर ऑलरेडी एक ऐसे सिंगर हैं जो हमारे शो पे पहले आ चुके हैं, लेकिन उनके साथ दो और लोग हैं. एंड इस म्यूजिक वीडियो के बारे में मैं इतना कह सकता हूँ कि बड़े अरसे बाद एक बड़ा फ्रेश साउंड एंड समथिंग by a new artist of this caliber, जिसके अंदर you can see that it's a very professional sounding song, and music video itself of course being done by Sohail Javed, so it's a great combination of things. And let me tell you a bit about the producer first. The producer is this upcoming producer from Karachi who has just compiled an album with collaborations with different artists, and mostly new singers and mostly new voices that you probably haven't heard before. But this particular video, man, we have a singer who's also on the show, who's this. He's from a very very big background. Uske alawa he's been an actor. He's done acting. He's done hosting. He's done music recently, which has again been a very fresh sound and something we haven't heard from before. And उसके अलावा इस म्यूजिक वीडियो के अंदर आपको एक खातून भी नजर आई होंगी जो बड़ी जिनकी आवाज़ सुनने के बाद मुझे ये सचमुच महसूस ही नहीं हो रहा था कि ये कोई नई सिंगर है, कि उनकी आवाज़ से ऐसा लग रहा था कि ये बहुत अरसे से गा रही हैं. और माशाल्लाह, she has a beautiful and a very mature voice, which is something always great to hear. So ladies and gentlemen, tonight on the show, three people who I'm hopefully going to have a great conversation with, and I'm sure I'm going to enjoy the show, and I'm sure you're going to enjoy the show. So please welcome on the show M. Zohaib Qazi and of course Zara Madni and Nadia Ali. कैसे हैं आप लोग? ठीक ठाक? Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. अब मुझे बताएं guys, आप लोग शो पे आए हैं and म्यूजिक वीडियो चल रहा है. The music video is out. How does it feel?
I don't know. It's like a dream come true, and actually having this combination जिसकी आपने बात की, having Ali Bhai in the video and Zara and being done on 35mm and
by Sohail
Javed. So such huge names all together with me who's a nobody. So it's like a.
But you are a somebody, aren't you? Because you've already had another video before this that also did very well, which was called Raat Bazaar.
Yeah, I mean, but it was more or less taken like a promo, because it was
a very different concept.
A very different concept. It was a 2-minute video, so I mean, तो उस तरीके से this is a bigger accomplishment that way.
Right. But मुझे बताएं now, Zohaib, of course, you're from Karachi and you're a producer. And by the way, I want to make this clear. अगर हमारी conversation को ज़्यादा free हो जाए तो आप पहले से जान लें, मैं इसको बहुत पुराना जानता हूँ, ये बड़ा पुराना दोस्त है मेरा. So उस चीज़ को साइड में रखिए. मुझे बताएं now, producing. and being a new producer and getting new voices and coming up with this new concept with the album which is called Iqbal Ka Urdu Sheher.
No, it's called Ismail Kaur.
इस्माइल का उर्दू शहर. तो मुझे बताएं कि ना इस्माइल का उर्दू शहर जब आपने एल्बम सोची and when you thought of the whole concept and everything, was it tough finding like vocalists and new voices for the record?
Frankly, I would say that I am very, very fortunate and I am very, very lucky. क्योंकि एक तो I knew like this dear friend of mine, Jafar.
Of course, Jafar from Kavish.
Jafar from
जो
Kavish.
इनके भाई हैं.
इनके भाई हैं.
जो इनके
So like I'm fortunate to find him and the family. I mean उन्होंने मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प की. Then I had this another friend Samra, जो मेरे बिल्कुल पास में एक सिंगर थी. Like she has a beautiful voice. Who is another feature like in the album.
So you were lucky to have the singers around you rather than going out and searching for singers.
Exactly.
अब मुझे बताएं now guys, अब नादिर भाई आप बताएं कि अभी recently you did बरखा, वो video निकला, that also mashallah got a great just get a response from people and everybody loves the song. Now doing another song and doing it with Zohaib, मुझे बताएं कि what was your instant reaction when Zohaib asked you to do this song and initially क्या सोचा था जब गाना सुना?
मैं ये बताते चलूं कि जोहेब की एक जो कुर्बत है हमारे खानदान के साथ वो ऐसी है कि ये और जाफर मिलके बाज़ दफ़ा मुझे तंग करते थे. मेरा कमरा नीचे होता था, ये ऊपर होता था, ऊपर से भारी भारी चीजें मारते थे कि सोए ना. ये बहुत अरसे से पीछे था एक और गाना था, एक जो कह रहा था कि मुझे करना चाहिए. But when we thought of doing something on let's say 2+ people वाले category में, when Zara entered, we definitely had to think of a new way to do it, of a rather more vibrant way to do it in the most simplest form. मेरी इस गाने में बहुत यकीन दिलाना चाहता हूँ सबको कि मेरी जो पार्टिसिपेशन थी वो निहायत ही सुस्त और बिल्कुल एक ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू फारिग पार्ट.
ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू फारिग.
लेकिन ये कि because I think I've been the laziest in this trio.
Well, actually, like
you think so?
Actually, अब सुनना देखते हैं क्या
बोले ये बारे लेकिन it's not that. मैं आपको जरा इसका प्रोसेस बताता हूँ. What happened was that like there was this night जब अली भाई called me and
वो मुकद्दस रात.
जी वो मुकद्दस रात और अली भाई and से भाई were deciding to do something. And that is like where they both like included us in that equation. And that's how we became fortunate to like I mean इस तरीके से हम चारों का मिलकर हम लोगों ने एक प्रोडक्ट बनाया. I won't say that it's my product.
We were all sitting together.
Right.
And it was like literally like a random thought कि वो ज़ोहेब ने कुछ थोड़ा सा गुनगुनाया the first line of the song, and we hadn't written the words then. So it was just like a basic melody. And we started working on it, and I think एक दो दिन में we completed the entire thing.
Exactly. So I mean like तो मैं ये
it was a very random.
Very random. Extremely random.
It's a product of 4 people.
और ये भी था कि सारे साथ थे तो it was even उसी वक्त थोड़ा सा जेल होना शुरू हो गया. Exactly. तो मुझे बताइए Nazara, coming to you. अब Nadir has had a video out solo before, and this is probably the first time we've like seen you doing a track in the mainstream sort of way.
Yeah.
तो मुझे बताइए now, obviously you're doing a lot personally also. You're working on your solo record. You're compiling songs to that and everything.
Compiling my
But
songs.
उसके अलावा you're doing other things, which is you're teaching music.
Yes.
So tell us a bit about that. कि you're a teacher for music.
I am a teacher, yes, and I'm conducting singing classes at home, and I'm going to a lot of schools also, and basically training in pure classical.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
Wow. So और आपने खुद भी classically
I've
trained and
learned,
everything. So tell us a bit about that.
I've just been a bit lucky with that I've had an opportunity to go across the border and learn a little bit from India.
Wow.
And of course, I've been learning for a while. I started learning when I was 6. And सबसे ज़्यादा जो inspiration जो मुझको थी और जिसको मैं बिल्कुल बैठ के वो daydreaming करती थी इसके बारे में, that was Nadir's mother. Naira Noor. Naira auntie is she's a lovely person, and I used to admire her. मतलब इतना के
and not only you, I'm sure जो भी music listener है, he has a huge amount of respect.
To an extent कि मैं आके बैठ जाती थी उनके पास, उनसे कहती थी कि आप प्लीज गाने सुनाएं. It was.
Now coming back to the music video, now tell us about some interesting stories. So I'm sure having somebody like Nadir Ali on your music video